AI does it again. Oh my gosh, I found a site in beta, but you are going to want this site. There's so many AI tools included in here. Check it out. Go to app.twee.com. Because it's in beta, it's gonna ask you to register or sign up for an account, but it's also gonna ask you for a refer. So go ahead and pop my account in there. And then look at all of these AI tools that you can choose from. The one that really blew my mind was the create questions for a YouTube video. Edpuzzle, anyone? Except now you don't have to create the questions, the AI is doing it for you. And using this video on the nucleus from Crash Core, all I did was select the tool, pasted the URL from YouTube in here. It does give you a 5-minute time limit, but my first video did the first 5 minutes, so I'm gonna do the second 5. And then down here I can select one type of question, so I'm gonna do ABCD questions and select do the magic. And look, within seconds, it's already developing the questions for me. Now, each question might not be what I want it to be, so you don't have to use all of them, but it really takes some of the workload off my plate if it's gonna create it for me and at least give me some starter questions. So you can copy this and paste it in like a Google Doc to share with students, or you can save as PDF, which it'll look like this. Or you can copy and paste the questions into a Google form. You could use them in like Quizlet or quizzes or something that you're using as a gaming activity. Again, just make sure you vet the questions because it is AI, so you are still the important person in the room to make those decisions. I hope you like this. Go explore all the tools that they have. I just showed you one, so I hope you like it. Have fun and follow me for more tips like this.